50 years, there is an underground fire in an underground coal mine which has engulfed this entire region, affecting hundreds of villages, thousands of households and lakhs of people, not only causing large-scale devastation in the area, but also affecting population and with severe lung diseases, even cancer. NDTV team visited the ground zero of this horrific place. I mean, people living in absolutely deplorable conditions, and spoke to the people, those who live above the bed of fire, and how majority of them have become carriers of diseases and few have even lost their family members.
We are right now in Gomia Assembly Constituency, which is adjoining Bokaro district of Jharkhand, and we are in Tirki village of Gomio. The reason why we are here is because of these coal mines. If you can see the fumes coming out of these coal mines. So there is an underneath fire for last 15 years. This entire region is engulfed in an underground fire, which is actually caught in the coal down below. And not only the mines, you can see the fumes coming out of there. On your screen, you can see how this entire region, entire area is engulfed in fumes. And this is a 24/7 phenomena for last 15 years or so. Around 7 to 8 villages located in this particular region, they are all affected because of it. More than 20,000 people are living here. They are the local residents here. Their houses, their homes, their fields where they do their farming. There is fire underneath those houses, those fields, and they are forced to live here. Now, the repercussion is most of these people who are living here, they are suffering from various diseases like cancer, like lung issues, lungs problem, they have cardiac issues, and all because of the smoke, this fire and this continuous heat actually, which makes it very difficult to survive in this climate, especially during the summertime. You can imagine there is a fire underneath and you're living above that fire. So the temperature out here, even on the ground, is at times becomes unbearable. So we thought when it's election time and when people actually are talking about the promises made by the leaders, so let's go and talk to people, show actually to our NDTV viewers as to how difficult it is for people in some region of this country to survive, where they're actually surviving engulfed in fire and smoke throughout the year for last 15 years and so. And even during the election time, the leaders come to their homes asking for their votes, make hollow promises, and actually promise them that they would be relocated here, they would be given compensation, which actually never happens. So again, this time the leaders are coming, knocking their doors, and again this time they will be left high and dry. So we'll just take you to one of these villages, show you as to how they are suffering and how bad the condition is, the livable condition of these people are. We are here at one of the house which was almost completely gutted in fire, and this has been rebuilt. This entire house has been rebuilt. This entire region and this village, the Jhirki village, it has a population of more than 5,000 people residing here. There's a fire underneath this coal mine area. So we are almost like literally standing on a bed of a fire. I'm joined by the house owner here. ये बताइए कि जब आपका हुआ था ये पूरा मामला, जब आग लगा था तो उसमें क्या हुआ था बताइए।
पूरा जल के मतलब राख हो गया, बाहर से पानी दमकल आया, उससे आग को बुझाया, घर को पूरा जल के राख हो गया, उसका सामान भी मोटरसाइकिल वगैरह जल गया
है, पूरा नुकसान हो गया है। हम आए नहरा से, हम देखें घर जला, तो हम आए, तो हम इधर से फिर कैसे जाएंगे उतना तो बच्चा लोग को, तो हम रहे हैं। उसके बाद रहते रहते हम पैसा मांगने हैं, बस्ते मांगने हैं। उसके बाद हम बोले
ये आपने घर फिर से बनवाया है?
प्लास्टर किए, फिर से हो गया 1 महीना प्लास्टर किए, जरने हो गया 8-9 महीना।
आग लग रहा है, उसके बाद भी आप लोग यहाँ क्यों टिके हुए हैं? आपके घर के नीचे आग है, आपकी ज़मीन के नीचे आग है, आप जहाँ खड़े हैं वहाँ आग है।
मजबूरी है। सीसीएल से हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मुआवजा दीजिए और विस्थापित कीजिए, कहीं दूसरा जगह प्लान दीजिए, हम लोग चल जाएंगे उठ के। लेकिन सीसीएल हमेशा हर बार चाल बना के और बात करके बोलते ठीक है उठाएंगे, लेकिन आज तक जब से पैदा हुए तब से ही सुन रहे हैं झिरकी उठाएगा, लेकिन आज तक उठा भी नहीं है। बस इसी तरह के प्रॉब्लम से हम लोग झेल रहे हैं और परेशान हो गए हैं बहुत ज़्यादा।
परिवार के हेल्थ पे भी असर पड़ रहा है, तो फिर आप उसके बाद तो आपको कुछ करना चाहिए।
करते हैं सर, बहुत तरह की बात करता है, जीएम करता है, पीओ करता है, बहुत मेजरमेंट भी करता है, लेकिन सिर्फ टालावा दे दे अपना बात निकाल के निकल जाता है। यहाँ बहुत सा नेता आता है, अपना बात करता है, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, ये है वो है, उसको किसी तरह से पैसा वैसा दे देता है सीसीएल, उसके बाद वो भी चुपचाप लगा देता है। जो हमारे पीछे जो लीडर खड़ा रहता है उसके पीछे हम लोग भी रहते हैं, तो उसको किसी तरह से कुछ हो जाता है, दे देता है, तो वो भी चुपचाप लगा देता है।